Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I would like to talk about a recent high priority incident that I was part of as a senior SRE so that you are able to understand how things move in real time if you are an SRE, especially if you are working on a priority one incident in production. So this issue is related to one of our most critical applications, wherein the users weren't able to access a banner on the website, and it was impacting all the users. So all the users were reporting the same issue, and it very quickly turned out to be a priority one incident. So our incident management team created a Jira ticket, and they also created one Slack channel wherein all the people who are required to be part of this incident, they're going to add them, and they are also going to share one Zoom link which everyone needs to join to start troubleshooting the issue. And they also engage the on-call person. So after I joined the call, I found that the issue is related to one S3 bucket access. So this website that that was impacted, this website uses an S3 bucket to upload a few files that are generated by the users. So on the website, we were seeing they are related to access. So uh, there was one issue related to that this website wasn't able to upload those files to S3 bucket, due to which that banner wasn't available. It was the issue. So initially what happened, the application team was very confident that this is related to the S3 access, S3 bucket access only, and we need to enable the access at the earliest. So there's a role which was involved here, wherein we need to add the S3 bucket access. So I joined. I did not investigate the issue because the application team was very confident, and they said that they have already checked everything. We just need someone who can just add the S3 bucket access to one of the roles that was in question here. So I added the S3 bucket access, and they just after adding the access, we were able to get the banner back. So every user was able to see the banner just after adding the S3 bucket access. And it was this issue was happening in multiple regions. So there were in general there were three regions involved, and there were three different IAM roles wherein this S3 bucket access had to be enabled. So I did that, and we were able to get the users the users access to that banner back in a few minutes only. But the problem was that this uh, access that I enabled manually via the AWS management console, and we don't do that. We use a Terraform for all the things, so all the things are completely automated here. So we need to actually add this access via a Terraform automation only. So we reached out to the platform team that we have done this change, and we need to integrate this change in our next Terraform change relate to that particular repo which holds these things. So a platform team quickly checked, and they said that this is not an access issue. We have checked the history. This role was never modified, so you need to revert your changes and just continue troubleshooting as this issue is related to something else. So then we again joined the call, that Zoom call, and I had to revert everything what I did, because I did it manually. And actually what application team was thinking that due to some security task or security activity, this access might have been removed, which would have caused this issue, but they were not right. So we had to revert the changes. As I mentioned, all the changes are done via Terraform for this role, and I did it manually just to resolve the issue, but issue was something else. So then I tried to investigate a little more, and I found that they did recent changes on the website. So the production release that we had, both for the front end part of the application and for the back end part, so those we had to revert. So we just wanted to see whether this is related to the last release only. So the application team reverted their changes. They reverted the backend change, and they reverted the front end change. and then they tried to access that particular banner which users weren't able to access. So just after reverting their front end and backend production release, the last one, the website was back with that banner as well, so that access was restored. So in the end, this issue was related to the last production release, which had some issues. I think maybe there's some script that is running behind the scenes which removed the access. Now, if you think here, the things that we need to really look into is every change that we do, it moves through the different environments. Okay, so the development is done in the dev environment, it moves to QA, and in QA we run a lot of tests. We run smoke tests, unit tests, regression tests, and there are other type of tests involved. So how did this issue was not detected in the QA environment? So I think these are the things that the application team needs to answer, that what were the testing steps that they performed which weren't able to catch hold of this issue in QA itself. Okay, else this issue wouldn't have happened, because each HPI results in some financial implications as well. Okay, so I think this is one of the most important question that the application team needs to answer, which will be taken care of in the root cause analysis, in the post-mortem stuff. So this was the one thing. And then I think from the SRE side, I would say maybe we need to ensure that we have some alerting in place for these type of issues, as well as we did not see any alert for this issue. So I think once again I need to get in touch with the application team to understand that if we can set some type of alert here to have this issue reported to us in advance, so that we can start working on it and fix it before it becomes a high priority incident. So this is one thing. And I think you already know, if you have watched my channel in the past, that we are using Grafana as the visualization tool, where we create alerts and dashboards for the applications, and application teams can reach out to us if they want any custom dashboard or custom alert to be created. So they can reach out to us. So I think this is what it was. I just wanted to let you know that this issue happened just like a couple of days ago, and this is what I did. So if you see, I did not do much here, but I think this issue is going to give us some learnings that as to what we can do to improve the process, so that we are able to detect these type of issues well in advance, and we are able to work through resolving it before it becomes a high priority incident, and it's being reported before it is reported by the users. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. I hope this is going to give you some introduction into how SREs handle high priority incidents. If you have any feedbacks, anything you want to ask about this, you can ask it in the comment section. I'm going to answer all your queries. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, I request you to please hit the like button. Please share this with others, and please do subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, that's all for this one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.